everybody, welcome to Jace's world.
What are we doing, Jace?
We're at a camping site.
Yes, we're camping. Oh my goodness, we're camping with our friends, making memories. Yep. All right, what are we gonna do while we're here, Jace?
I don't know,
Maybe swim, do some camping, make some s'mores later. All right, well kids, join us on our adventures and we'll see you later. On a river. Listen to the pretty waterfall, kids. Look at it, goes up under the bridge up there.
Hey kids, there's the lake, and here's the mountains.
Beautiful this morning, isn't it, baby? Zoom out some so I can see the whole picture.
There's 1 point for Jason.
All right, cornhole game.
All yours.
Oh, and there you go. Then
Oh!
there's 2 for Jason. There's 3, 2 in a row.
All right, he's playing against the champ.
So he got 30.
Oh,
1, 4 reps.
oh.
Oh. Hold on.
And Jace is beating her.
Okay.
Here, okay.
Go. You use red now.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
5 for Jace Kendrick, and he is beating her by 4 points. There's 2. There's 3.
Oh.
There's 4.
Oh.
Oh, it's tied. Somehow
Wait
she
a minute.
managed to pull through.
Okay.
And here it goes.
What you playing to?
20.
20.
20.
Oh.
Lane. There's 6 for Jace Kendrick. 7.
7.
Oh.
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 Whoa.
How many is that?
8
8
to 7.
Oh.
No mercy. No mercy.
Oh. Good job.
8 to 8.
Uh-huh. 8 to 8.
I'm gonna try to have to. So it's 9 to 8.
9 to 8.
Excuse me.
Oh, I caught it.
10. 10 to 8.
Wow, you guys are doing good. You're getting a quick game in.
Okay.
Score now is
9
8
to 10. It's 9 to 10.
Duty. I ain't in school.
Oh.
Did you get all?
Oh my
That's
goodness. Good job.
14, 9.
There's 1 in. Oh, so close.
Hit it in, Jace. Oh.
There's 2.
14, 11. Keep up, Faith Ann. Come on.
There's 1.
Ah.
2. And 3. And not-
17.
Missed. Lame. Lame.
You'll think
There's
lane.
1.
Oh, good job, Jace. Good
4.
job,
Oh,
Jace. All right, it's birthday celebration time. And what is? You got s'mores in there?
Not s'mores, the nature of s'mores.
Are you for real? Oh my goodness.
Indoor or outdoor.
Indoor or outdoor? Jace, that is so cool. Turn it around so we can see it. S'more Family Fun Maker. Wow. Yep. We'll be enjoying some like this family is.
Oh, this is heavy.
Is it?
Oh, I just broke it.
Uh-oh. You broke it?
I can never break my own toy. What is it? We get to sleep in it.
Oh.
A tent.
What? Are you Oh.
Ah, you heavy.
Oh my goodness, is it heavy? Oh wow. Now you're looking at it upside down, but oh my goodness, look at it. Look at it. Jace, what do you think?
See, looky there.
I have a kid tent.
Uh-huh, a kid tent. Yes, that's what he wanted to bring for us to put our mattress in, right?
This is a big person tent.
Oh my goodness.
You excited? Yeah.
Aw. All right, here's our mattress before it starts. All right, we're gonna blow it up and put it in there. Right, Jace?
Right.
Okay, so what do you think?
Okay, so
Oh,
they
yes. Oh my goodness, it's plenty big.
are
What do you think
doing
about
my
where
tent
it
that I got.
I think it's fine. It's still on a slant, but I think it'll be fine. We'll
Okay.
be on the mattress.
This is what Lori and Faith Ann are sleeping in. That's the door.
Yes, unless this goes through the top and goes from one end to the other. But I want to make sure we don't have to put the tarp. Let me look in the other box.
The front, the back.
There's something connected to the back.
Yeah, there's something. Here we go. Oh yeah.
And
it
here's
is
like,
connected to the back. So-
I don't really know. Here's like I think the freezer or the refrigerator, and here's where you wash your hands, kids. Jace is gonna show you his hammock. No, don't do that. Just tell him what color. Okay, this is a G4 free hammock.
And it's green.
It's green and yellow, and we might just have to put it up.
Oh wow, that's big. Jace, come film on the inside of it.
Film the light.
Okay, we're gonna film the inside. Okay, there we go. A big spacious tent with screen.
Wait, it's done?
That's it.
Inside, there is a phone holder. This is we'll show you what brand it is.
Yeah.
This is a Coleman Picton 2 dome tent.
So it doesn't get wet.
Can sleep 6 people. These are all the details.
Once we put the stakes down, that helps with that too.
Okay, all right.
Oh yeah, I think.
It says it keeps you dry, guaranteed.
Rain thing?
And there's your tent. There it is.
All right, and then let me shake off.
Okay,
Okay.
turn up that way.
Everybody, we're putting up Jace's hammock. It's green and yellow. First time it's ever been up. So come along with us. Let's see here. Okay, there's one strap. We got one strap up and we need one to go.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, guess who is in there? It's the big reveal in the green and yellow hammock. Okay, it's a really nice hammock, and is there a monster in there? Okay, 3, 2, 1, open! It's Jace! And there he is in his hammock. What you doing? Are you chilling? Are you chilling?
Blocus. Blockus or blocus.
But I'm not.
Or it could be block us.
I think it's block us.
Block
Yeah.
us. One rule, endless possibilities. Okay. And we'll let you know how it goes.
And kids, I am going to help Faith Ann and Mama.
All right, while we're doing our blockus, JC is playing with planes, trains, and automobiles. Here's our tent again. I love our tent. Can't wait till tonight to sleep in it. Right, Jace?
Right.
Yes.
Right, we
Other one.
finished.
Faith Ann, don't get the other one. That's mine.
Uh-huh. All right.
We got to look at the winner.
Faith in one.
Like always.
There is a cake for us.
Uh-huh, we're celebrating everybody's birthday. Out, a little hiking and walking. Taking the dogs on a walk. Out seeing the nature. Okay. You going on down to the water, Lovey?
Come on, Faith Ann, come on. Hurry up, Faith Ann.
Jeffrey lives here.
Think so?
I don't want to.
2050. There's a time capsule under here. Huh. Please don't fall in, Jace. There's a nice little creek going down through there. Okay, what are you guys making? And we're making different kinds of s'mores.
Kids, watch this.
Are you burning yours?
I'm waiting for it to burn. Okay.
All right, and how do you put it together? I had an apple peanut butter s'more.
Not an apple.
Banana peanut butter.
Bye, kids. I had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe.
All right, kids, we are going tent camping tonight for the first time. So in the morning, we will let you know how it turned out, okay? All right, good night, Jace's World. Good night.
Bye.